Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Luxembourg. Company registration in Luxembourg. Luxembourg is a small country in Europe which offers various business opportunities. Luxembourg has excellent connectivity to the EU markets because of its central location in Europe. It is very near from important European capitals and business centers like Paris, Frankfurt, or Brussels. It is one of the wealthiest countries. In Luxembourg, entrepreneurs choose to set up a company because of the following factors: economic stability, openness towards foreign direct investments. In Luxembourg, company incorporation procedure is simple and quick for both national as well as foreign investors. During the global economic and financial crisis, this country has managed to maintain its economic stability. In Luxembourg, financial services, manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, communications, and logistics as well as imports and exports are some of the most important business areas. Types of companies. In Luxembourg, there is various types of companies which can be registered, and its suitability depends upon the investor's business purposes. There are some type of companies which will be more suitable for small and medium-sized businesses, whereas other will be suitable for large businesses that want to expand their activities in the Grand Duchy. Here are the following types of companies which are recognized under Luxembourg Companies Law: Public Limited Liability Company, Private Limited Liability Company, General Partnership, Limited Partnership, Partnership Limited by Shares, Cooperative Company. In Luxembourg, Private Limited Liability Company and the Public Limited Liability Company are two of the most popular business forms. There is a requirement of specific minimum share capital and regarding the managing and supervisory bodies of a Public Limited Liability Company. For a company who wishes to establish its presence on the market, branch is a good business option. In Luxembourg, newly incorporated company will not be a legal entity. Instead of this, it will depend completely upon the mother company abroad. Subsidiaries are another type of companies which are preferred by the foreign legal entities. Under this, foreign company is not liable for their actions, and these companies have legal personality. This country has a perfect blend of stable economy and numerous business opportunities. Company incorporation in Luxembourg. In Luxembourg, company incorporated need to have certain documents that will attest the existence of the legal entity of the Grand Duchy. After this, article of association need to be drafted. It must for the founding company of the company to provide specimen signatures, passport copies, and other documents. After the drafting of these documents, it is required to translate it by a certified translator and then submitted to the public notary for authentication. Article of association are later published in Luxembourg Official Gazette. Another requirement is to open bank account in Luxembourg by the investor to deposit the minimum share capital. In order to comply with the requirements of the country, name of the new company also has to be verified, and verification can be made in the trade register. A company in Luxembourg will also require an office from where it can perform its business activities. Thank you.